everybody, welcome back to Cocktail Corner. Today we're going to make a drink that features a Xtabentun liqueur. This is a liqueur that you can get from the Yucatan in Mexico, and it is made from the nectar of the Xtabentun flower. It's actually made from fermented honey that is made from bees that use that flower as their nectar. Then they add some rum for a base, and that's what we get here. So we're going to use that. It's a little hard to find in the States, so I know it's a little unorthodox as a recipe, but you can sub this for any other kind of anise liqueur like ouzo or absinthe, maybe even. You'd have to mess around with it and see what you like, but we're gonna do a few recipes that I've come up with that I think that go well with it. And so today we're going to make what I like to call the Yucatan. It's kind of a riff on a rum old-fashioned, but it incorporates the Xtabentun liqueur in there. So let's get started. We're going to build this in a stirring glass, and we're going to do 2 ounces of dark rum. We're going to use Hamilton dark rum, Jamaica pot still rum here. So we'll do 2 ounces. And then we're going to add to that 3/4 of an ounce of this Xtabentun liqueur. And then we are going to add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. You don't need too much in this. The liqueur is pretty sweet already. And then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then we'll throw some ice in here. And then we'll stir this down until it's nice and cold. There we go. And then we're going to strain that into a rocks glass. And we're going to garnish with a lemon peel. Where's my peeler? It's right here. I found it. And that's the Yucatan. That's very good. The rum is very upfront, but the Xtabentun is in there, as you can taste a lot of the. It has like an anise-like flavor, but it also has a lot of honey and floral flavors that come through as well. And I think that the lemon helps just bring that out a little bit. The dark rum is obviously it's the forerunner in this. You can taste that a lot, but I think that the simple syrup and the Xtabentun with their sweetness help kind of mellow the rum out, so it makes it very drinkable. So yeah, it's very good. All right, thanks everyone.